Hello everyone. Today, we are covering the 5 best wine racks on the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our best pick for the money is J.K. Adams Wooden Ash Modular Wine Rack, 12 bottle. Clocking in at around $50 or less, this wine rack is a sustainably sourced ashwood one from J.K. Adams, made in Vermont. This modular design holds 12 bottles. It also stores bottles on the top of the rack, but additional sections can be purchased as needed to house your ever-growing collection. Another added bonus? This sturdy rack can also be assembled in a traditional square or in a creative design of your choosing to fit your space and home design. One reviewer was even able to make 2 wine racks that hold 6 bottles each. Keep in mind that it takes a bit of time to assemble, but the included instructions are easy to follow. Users say, just make sure to use a rubber mallet. This rack comes with extra joining pins. Material, ash wood. Dimensions, 13.25 into 13.25 into 11 inches, capacity, 12 bottles, expandable. What we love. Easy assembly, modular design options, expandable, sturdy. What we don't love. Basic unfinished look, no plugs for empty dowels, holes of assembled rack. Number 2. Second best pick is Oceanstar 18 bottle stackable bamboo wine rack. Take your pick of stacking these tiers on top of each other by interlocking the blocks and the wave bars together, or keep them side by side, and add on more pieces as your home wine collection grows. The durable bamboo material, whose stained finish gives it a rich look, and timeless wave design will keep your bottles safe, no matter where or how you decide to store your collection. Reviewers like how simple and quick it is to put together, no tools or screws needed, and that it's surprisingly sturdy. You can also add more tiers to the rack as needed. Note that this rack only fits normal-sized wine bottles, 750 milliliters. Material, bamboo. Dimensions, 34.5 into 11.9 into 12 inches, capacity, 18 bottles. What we love. Tool-free assembly, can be painted, versatile, simple but elegant design. What we don't love. Cannot hold large bottles. Number 3. Third best pick is SONGMICS 30 bottle wine rack. Enjoy an at-home wine tasting trip with your dearest friends with this spacious 30 bottle wine rack. It'll safely hold your ever-expanding collection. Each shelf, with 2 wave bars set at different heights, keeps the bottles secure at an angle without falling and the corks fully moisturized to aid with long-term wine storage or aging the wine. Bamboo benefits, natural, charming. Those are only part of the benefits this bamboo wine rack offers. It's also hard-wearing, easy care, and ready to support some serious weight. Fits anywhere. Boasting a narrow design, this space-saving wine holder can easily create a bar area in your living room, kitchen, dining room, or anywhere you'd like to display your favorite bottles beautifully. What you get: a 5-tier bamboo wine rack size 24.9 into 9.6 into 28.7 inches, an anti-tip strap to keep your wine safe, for protective pads on the bottom of the legs to protect your floor, and clear instructions for easy assembly. Number 4. Fourth best pick is mDesign Plastic Freestanding Wine Rack Storage Organizer. These BPA-free clear plastic stacking storage racks hold 2 bottles of your favorite rose or white horizontally each. They're also shatter-resistant. Standing at 4 inches tall and 8 inches wide, they're easy to fit in nearly every size of refrigerator. The stacking design also makes them great for organizing the bottles at your next wine tasting party. No wine in the house? Use these space-saving racks to hold similarly sized bottles of water or soda, or perhaps your growing reusable water bottle stash. The racks are easy to clean with a simple cloth and some mild soap and water, but note that they are not dishwasher safe. Material, plastic. Dimensions, 7.6 into 8 into 4 inches, capacity, 2 bottles. What we love. Easy to clean, simple and chic design, bottles do not slip out. What we don't love. Doesn't work for large collections, some larger bottles won't fit. Number 5. Fifth best pick is Wine Enthusiast 24-bottle wooden wine rack cube. Made of Scandinavian pine wood, this cube rack was hand-cut and hand-sanded to give an even grain and color finish that will make a beautiful addition to your home, all while maximizing space. And on top of the beautiful design, users say this rack is stable and sturdily constructed. Whether you have a penchant for Bordeaux, or save by shopping for larger bottles, this provides ample room for big bottles that many other racks cannot always accommodate. This cube rack is easy to put together, though it does require tools and may need more than one person to assemble. Material, wood, dimensions, 9 x 20 x 20 inches, capacity, 24 bottles. What we love. Easy assembly, can hold large bottles. What we don't love. Basic design. So, grab yours while you can. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.